Looking for something dark, dramatic, and drop-dead gorgeous? Meet Agonis flexuosa after dark, aka the After Dark Peppermint Willow. This striking tree grows 15 to 25 feet tall, with a 10 to 15 foot spread, and its deep burgundy foliage gives serious Goth Garden royalty vibes, year-round. In spring and summer, it throws out burgundy-centered white flowers, just to keep things interesting. Loves full sun, needs well-draining soil, and just a deep soak when it gets dry. Easy to care for, hard to ignore. Perfect for zones 9 to 11, and a favorite for modern landscapes that want a little edge with their elegance. Find your After Dark Peppermint Willow at Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix, or call 623-434-6922. Let's grow something amazing.